Number 7, 3 plus the square root. Let's do a minus this time. Let's do 3 minus the square root of 7 over 2 square root of 3. Now, I'm going to rationalize and get rid of just the square root of 3. Okay, that's the new part. These are definitely the algebra 2. This is called a binomial because it's two things added together. This is a binomial. This is a monomial. It doesn't have any adding and subtracting. It's just one term. So distribute, and you get 3 square root of 3 minus the square root of 21 all over 2 square root of 9. So I have 3 square root of 3 minus 21 square root of 21, and the denominator is going to be 2 times 3. And see, some of this you could have skipped as you do more and more of it. So I'm going to actually, if you're okay, I'm going to split it right here. 3 square root of 3 over the 6 minus the square root of 21 over the 6. I just went on and made it 2 fractions. Now, will either one of those reduce? Sometimes they won't. Sometimes you can't reduce the outside. If you leave it like this, if you leave it 3 square root of 3 minus the square root of 21 over 6, you can't cancel those. See, this is your answer, and that's where it gets a little crazy. But if you'll go ahead and break it down, and I used to not do this, but I found last year with my Algebra 2 honors, it made it a whole lot easier. And then that way you're not tempted to cancel when it's not multiplication.